Find your recent mentions on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find recent mentions on your page. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook, click on it. Now click on those three lines and click on your page. All you need to do now is scroll over this list and you're gonna find more. And here you can scroll down and click on mentions. And now wait for a second and they're gonna give you a list of all your recent mentions on your page. So if you have a new page or you're gonna find this message which is no recent mentions. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.